Racing just is started. We have Gabo first to show quickness at the start. Moving up now on the outside. Hyper Franco. No guts, no glory in the middle portion. Punchline Tawanits. And on the outside now is Launlaan. My Sweet Leonora comes next while Gintong Gantimpala is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Gabo by about 3 lengths. And in second is Hyper Franco. No guts, no glory is racing in third. Punchline is down in fourth. My Sweet Leonora comes next. One it's alongside comes Launlaan. While Gintong Gantimpala is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Gabo by about 2 lengths, and in second, Hyper Franco. Punchline is down on the inside. No guts, no glories. Racing in fourth. My Sweet Leonora. Tawanits, Launlaan. While Gintong Gantimpala is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Gabo by about 3/4 of a length lead. I want to throw the challenge on the outside. Punchline as they swing for Roma. Gabo back to 3 lengths lead. And in second is Punchline. Last 100 meters, we have Gabo followed by Punchline on the outside, but it's still Gabo. Punchline is on the outside, and finally it's Gabo. Second is Punchline, then comes My Sweet Leonora. Tawanits, Gintong Gantimpala, Hyper Franco.
1, 2, 4.